Hello, welcome to my channel, The ID Guy, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find duplicate values in an Excel and how to remove them. There are many ways to do it, but I'm going to show you the way which I find the most easiest. Usually it is done for people who have big Excel sheets with many duplicate values in it. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an example of end result of grade 10th with the names and the percentages of the students. Here it is, as you can see. In row 3, row 7, and row 11, you will find Peter with 55%, and in row 11, Peter is with 62%. Before going on forward, please like my videos and do subscribe to my channel if you find my videos helpful. Now, Peter in row 3 and Peter in row 7 is exactly same with same percentage, but Peter in row 11 is a bit different with a different percentage, so it might be a mistake and we don't want to remove this Peter. Now to find the duplicates, what we have to do is we have to select all the cells. So select all the cells, and under home we'll find conditional formatting. Click on that, highlight cell rules, and then go to duplicate values and click on that. This should be duplicate, and this is how you want your duplicate values to be shown. So light red fill with dark red text. That's how it will be seen, as you can see in the picture. Then okay. Now you'll see that in row 3, row 7, both the full complete rows are highlighted, but in row 11 only Peter is highlighted, as only Peter is the same. So to delete it, now we have to go to data, make sure it is selected, and under data you'll find text to columns, and under text to columns you'll find remove duplicates. It might be different in different versions, but it's almost the same. Here we see the number of columns. So if we select both the columns, the rows which have exactly same cells in both the columns will be deleted. But if we select only one column, suppose the first column, then the repeating Peters will be deleted, and row 7 and row 11 will be completely deleted, which we don't want. So we'll select both the columns. So the exact same cell rows which have the same exact columns will be deleted, and row 7 will be deleted, and we'll press OK. And here we see that row 7 is deleted, and row 11, which was Peter with 62%, is now in row 10. And that is it. That is what we wanted. So now to remove the highlighting, what we have to do is go to home again, conditional formatting, clear rules selected, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you find this video helpful. All the steps are mentioned in the description below. For any suggestions, do comment. Thank you.